I'm okay. Alright, she's ordering Som Tum, I think, which is like very, very spicy Thai food. Cool.
Yeah. Try. Kidding.
It looks very spicy.
You want to try?
No, I'm okay. So what is it really?
Som Tum.
Alright, there's the currency exchange. Might need to use that later. Some little shops and stuff. Sunglasses, socks, sandals and hats and stuff. We're just gonna try and find some street food. We're down here near Beach Road in Pattaya, Thailand, of course. Pattaya Night Bazaar, which is it's open in the daytime. It's also open till about 10 p.m. or something. Oh, so it's very busy here. Food looks pretty interesting. I like how it has the picture of the animals, so you know what it is.
You should eat more.
Okay, we got our Isaan sausage for how much was it?
10 each. We got 220.
All right.
Yay!
This looks tastes better than it looks. Isaan sausage, or like sour pork sausage. It's very, very good. Just getting kebab for 70. I think that's a pretty good price. Oh, getting attacked by bugs.
It cannot bite you. It looks like when you walk, when you're on the bus, you know, and you money. The bus.
Oh yeah.
I already choose this one.
Let's go for banana.
This sauce?
What kind of sauce do they have?
Sweet milk and chocolate.
Chocolate. Yeah, banana and chocolate. Roti or like pancake or something.
Yes.
All right, cool. So you can choose your sauce, and you can choose egg, banana or mango. So we went for banana and chocolate.
Spicy though.
Spicy?
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean it looks it, so looks very deadly. I think many Farangs have died from this.
No.
Yeah.
They're not die.
Yeah. Well, many Farangs died from the Chang.
What the fuck?
hear that?
What is
The Farang and his girlfriend, he was like, oh, do you want
40.
to buy it? And she was like, no, you buy it, you buy it, you buy it. All right, let's go.
It's hot. I tried it.
Okay, we're just gonna head back because I think we got far too much food. So we're just gonna enjoy it. But Pattaya is definitely a pretty good place for street food. You just gotta find it. All right, so yeah.
Som Tum everywhere.
Som Tum.